In this video, I'm going to create a validation rule for our gender fields to make it so that users can only enter the letter F for female, the letter M for male, or the letter U for unknown. To create a validation rule, skip over to your design view, select the field that you'd like to add that validation rule to, and jump down to your Fields Properties pane to the Validation Rule section. And to create a validation rule expression that forces users to type in specific text, I'm going to begin with the word like, and then in quotation marks type the letters that they can add, and I'm going to start with the letter F for female, end quotes, and then use my operator OR for the other letters that they can type, M, or quotation mark U, close quotes. When I click off the field, it capitalizes the words OR. And now when I save my table, since I already have data typed into the table, I'm going to get this warning message. Data integrity rules have been changed. Existing data may not be valid for the new rules. And it just warns us that it's going to go through all of our existing records and test to make sure that the existing data is valid. And I'm going to click yes and jump back into datasheet view. So it didn't really take very long for a table with only 32 records. And now to test it out, if I go down and begin to type in a new record or employee, and now when I get to gender, if I type in the letter I, and then try to move off that field, Access checks it against my criteria and tells me that it will not accept it. It tells me here one or more values are prohibited by the validation rule like F or M or U set for employee's gender. Enter a value that the expression for this field can accept. So when I click OK and then type the letter F, now it's going to accept that letter or that data. Now if I wanted some description or some text in that pop-up box to be a little bit more user-friendly, I can press Escape, go back into Design View, and right underneath the validation rule property, I can add validation text that will explain what's happening a little bit better. So I'm going to type, enter either the letter F for female, M for male, or the letter U for unknown. And now when I save my table, go back into Datasheet View and test that out. One more time. If I were to type the letter K, now I'll get more specific or more detailed directions for my user. So now when I press OK and type F for female, there you have it. And that is creating a validation rule for fields in a table. Thanks for watching. For more information regarding our training videos, please visit www.trainsignal.com.